my channel. You guys are probably wondering why I am in this weird setup, and that's because you guys can see by the title I will be doing some DIYs today, and I do not have a workstation or a big table where I could do this project, so that's why I'm on the floor here on top of a bed sheet. So please ignore this little setup because the setup does not matter. It's the DIY that matters. So I'm very nervous because I have never done anything like this before. I challenged myself this year that I'm going to do like new projects, learn new skills. So this is going to be a first here on my channel. I'm going to be DIYing closet doors, as you guys could see by the title. I've never done anything like this before in my entire life. I don't think I am prepared at all. I just watched a few videos, got some Pinterest inspos, and now I just feel like I need to do it myself. So that's the plan. Let's see how that goes. Do not take this video as a tutorial by any means. I am not a professional. I am learning like myself, so I just wanted to document the process of me learning it. If this video is helpful, then feel free to, follow the steps I did to make your own doors. Let me know like your thoughts, and if you have any tips from me, or if you're just cringing as to why I'm doing certain things when I shouldn't be doing it, then please just ignore that. Alright, so that's enough talking. Let me show you guys what the doors currently look like, and then I will be back to do the DIY. So here's what the door looks like right now. Of course, there's nothing wrong with the door. It's completely fine. Also, there is me. It's completely fine, but I just really don't like sliding doors personally because it like makes your closet look really small, and this closet here, it's actually not that small. Like, it goes up till here, you guys. So like there's a whole area is the closet, but it just feels really small because you can only access like one side of the closet at once. So that's the basically project. I want to DIY a door, French style door, so that it can be opened like both ways. So yeah, I have never done anything like this before, so I don't want to talk too much. Let's get started with this project. I have no idea if it's even going to look good, like what the hell is going to happen, because I am very, very, very nervous about this project, but hopefully everything goes well, and if it does, you guys are going to see this video. Okay, let's get started. Let me give you guys a quick rundown on all the supplies that I got. First of all, I got these 1x2s cut. So this one is cut, I think 19 inches, I'm not sure. That's the width of the door. And then I got like a longer piece cut, so that's going to be the height of the door. So I got a bunch of those. I don't want to give you guys like the actual dimensions because we all have different size doors, so whatever your door size is, you can go ahead and get like the width cut and then the length or height cut. Alright, then I got these two door hinges that's going to attach the door to the closet. So I got 2 packs, so a total of 4. So 2 each door, and then the actual covering of the door is going to be burlap. I have no idea honestly like how this is going to look. This is not looking too promising to me in this package, so I don't know if it's gonna look good. If it doesn't look good, I probably have to think of a backup plan, but getting this burlap was a mission. I'll put up this clip here. So basically, I went to Home Depot. I saw this burlap online, but they weren't delivering it online or no like in-store pickups. I had to go to the actual store to get it. And when I went, it was all the way up. Like they pretty much like put it away because it's basically burlap is like a gardening thing, so it's in the garden section. So I guess because it's winter time, no one was like really buying burlap, so they kind of like put it away. And the girl or the lady was so nice and sweet that she was like, don't worry, I'll get someone to get it for you. And literally 20 minutes later someone came with that like little like truck thingy, and then got me a burlap and also gave me $15 off. So that's nice. And then what else do I need? So I got some wood glue because I wanna first glue the pieces together before I screw them in. And then this is something, if you guys have, you don't need. I got a staple gun and some staplers. I did not have a staple gun before, so I'm gonna need a staple gun, so I got that. Okay, so that's all the supplies I got. Now let's get started. I am super nervous and I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. So yeah, let's go. You guys, this is what I meant when I said I am not a pro at all. So as I was trying to attach the pieces together to make a frame, my plan was to screw it from the side. It's not working out. So now I came to Home Depot. I'm walking to Home Depot to get some like attachment bracket type of things. I honestly don't know. I guess I'll show you guys when I find something. Hi guys, so change of plans. I honestly am all over the place, but I got these, what are they called? They're called mending plates. So I got these and that's the plan. I am going to attach all the pieces using this. And I'm also going to put two in the middle for extra support. So that's the plan so far. As I said, I am not a pro whatsoever. I'm learning and I hope you guys don't make the same mistake as I did and just end up buying these in the first place, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Hi guys, so the actual frame of the door is done, and now I want to go ahead with the burlap fabric to pretty much cover this whole frame. This fabric, to be very honest with you guys, does not look that promising to me. So I honestly don't know if I'm gonna like it. If I don't like it, I'll probably have to go and buy a different fabric. Also, this door is so challenging. I hate myself right now because I don't know why I took this challenge upon myself. But the width of the doors, like two doors combined, I feel like I'm a little off. So there might be a little gap in the middle. And like that's not cute. So I'm probably gonna have to figure something out to fix that later on when I attach the doors. But for now I'm just gonna let it be. And I have my staple gun, my staples, and let's get started. You guys are not going to freaking believe this shit doesn't work. So either I'm using it wrong or I just bought a defective like frigging staple gun. So I'm gonna use like a traditional paper stapler, and if this is not the example of just me learning as I go, I don't know what is, because I would not recommend this video for anybody who actually seriously wants to build their door. You're not going to learn anything from this video, trust me when I say this. This is a whole trial and error process. I'm going to use this. I tried it on like a couple and it seems to work. I guess I just have to like put a lot of staples and then I probably will go in with some nails as well to make it extra secure, but my sturdy little Dollarama staple is better than Home Depot. Okay. So I'm super nervous to take these off because if for any reason my DIY doors don't work out, I probably will have to put these back, and I really don't want to do that. So I'm gonna go and take these doors off. I have no clue how to do it. I did watch a couple videos on YouTube and it seems pretty straightforward. Apparently there's like these two like kind of like things up on the door that you just unscrew and then you can just take it off.
One eternity later.
Oh my gosh, this took me way too long. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. You guys, the door is all done. I'm very nervous. I'm super nervous. I haven't added the knobs just yet. I will do that later. But let's go ahead and attach the door. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I have my first functioning door. Okay, let's do the next one. guys. I hate this gap. I need to figure out a way to fix that gap, but I don't know if I can fix it in this video. I'm not gonna lie. I do really like it though. What do you guys think? What? What? Okay, I'm done goofing around. But on a serious note, I really hate this gap, so please don't leave me any hate comments on this gap. I know it. I'm going to fix it. Maybe one day, maybe not in this video because I just want to be done. Especially with the surprise. I don't have the time to go to Home Depot and find some kind of something to put here that will kind of cover the gap. So I wanted to do this DIY thing that I've been seeing everyone do, and it's so frigging smart. So if you're gonna learn one thing from this video, let it be this DIY. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this little belt, and then make a little pull like that, and I'm going to attach it with nail, and then I'll basically just nail that into the wood. So let's go ahead and attach the handles, and we will then finish off the video with a nice little after shot, and yeah. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what are your thoughts on this DIY. I know the gap in between the two doors is going to drive a lot of you guys nuts, and the fact that I'm ending this video here with the gap in between the doors, trust me, I have OCD, so it's driving me nuts as well, but I have a lot of other stuff to do in this room, so I just don't want to wait on these doors to be done. I'm going to end this video here, but I promise I will be fixing the gap like very, very soon. So follow me on my Instagram if you want to see when and how I end up fixing it. If you guys have any tips for me for these doors, then comment them down below. I would love to know. And if you guys are excited to see my next video, subscribe to my channel. It's going to be a surprise room makeover video for my sister. I'm super excited to upload that. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment, like, share, and until my next video, bye!